Hi and welcome to another Type With Me. In this video I want to talk about Promise.all versus Promise.all.settled. So I have prepared some little example for you. So if you execute node promise.js, you see that we got an error. And it just prints out the error. If we change this to resolve, we execute this, you see here that we get all our results back. If I put this into comments, you'll see that we get an error, right? So we need this in this case. But I will show you that when we have all settled, that we get all data back with the status and also with the value. And when the status is rejected, we get a reason why it's been rejected. So if I want to use Promise.all, well, it's mainly, for example, to fetch different kind of config files. If you want to do certain things into batches, and you want to have an overview of like batch A works, batch B doesn't, batch C works, well, then you use Promise.all.settled. Or if you have something else like Promise.all.settled by just doing something, having multiple data that you want to fetch, but if something is rejected, that's fine. You just want to put something on your web application by saying that that has been rejected for whatever kind of reason, and you have already something that you can fire up in parallel to get your data back, right? Other things that we could use is here promise.raise, for example. You see here, create a promise that is resolved or rejected when any of the provided promises are resolved or rejected. And you could have something like any here. Which is also something you could use. Right, so are you using Promise.all or Promise.all.settled? And why are you using one or two of them? Right? Put a comment into this description below if you think like, hey, this one is a very nice one and I'm using it for that kind of a reason. And maybe if you like this, give this a thumbs up, or if you think this video is interesting and you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.